everyone, my name is Lisa Edwards. I am the General Manager for ClaimsMaster. So today we're going to go over supplements and why it's very important to make sure you have all of your line items on there at the end of your projects. It is not uncommon for items to be missed on the initial estimate. In this video we are going to show you an example of how we did just that. We are going to show you how our supplement nearly doubled the initial payout.
And thank you, Lisa, for that introduction. So with that being said, let's jump in to an example and show you how really knowing how to review a loss report and then knowing how to supplement can make a big difference in the final number. So we're going to go right in here to the initial estimate made by the insurance adjuster. And this is actually pretty crazy. He paid for removing the shingles, replacing the shingles, roofing felt, and drip edge, and that is about it. That's pretty bare bones. Can't get much more bare bones than that. So right now, replacement cost value is $9,448.57. Now we're going to go to our estimate / supplement. We are going to go to this page here where it says supplemented items. And in the supplemented items, we supplemented for 4 square of shingles, which is actually a little bit unusual, but we were able to supplement for that because his waste factor was so far off initially. We were able to get 4 additional squares. We supplemented for starter. We supplemented for ridge cap. Of course, ice and water shield, which is required by building code here in the state of Ohio. A furnace vent. Alignment and calibration of a satellite system, a pipe jack, meter mass, and the beloved overhead and profit. So that brought our estimate up to quite a bit more than what theirs were. So let's go over to the insurance company's revised estimate. And remember, we started out at $9,448.57. And after all supplements, if we go to page 5 here, the replacement cost value is now $15,330.48. Not to mention, on the next page, we have the ice and water shield. Remember how I said it was code upgrade, paid when incurred, which simply means that you get paid for it when you actually put the product on the house. So you combine those two numbers. You combine the $15,330 and the $2,670, and you come up to a final total amount of $18,000.75. So the amount gained from the initial estimate was $8,552.18. That's almost doubling the initial estimate. So that is what can be gained by knowing how to correctly read a loss report or an estimate by the insurance company and supplementing the items that were missed on their initial report. And so that is what we can do for you guys. Really, Xactimate estimates, billing, and supplements are an area that we specialize in. Here's just one of many examples to where we almost doubled the initial amount paid out by the insurance company. So if you guys would like more information, all of our contact information is listed below. Please reach out to us, and we would love to start making you guys more money, making sure the needed items for the build are on the estimate and reduce your stress. So hope to hear from you soon. You guys have a good one.